Seconds count in an emergency, and a News 4 I-Team investigation exposes how medical alert devices meant to get you help fast could actually keep you waiting.
Consumer investigator Lindsey Bramson shows you what you need to know if you or a loved one has one.
Working on your posture.
Rita Sue Amaker has plenty of help.
No pain, no gain, right?
Getting through rehab. But when she returns to her home in rural Jolton, she's counting on a medical alert device that she wears around her neck to get her help fast.
Time is of the essence.
But a News 4 I-Team investigation raises questions if the devices create an unexpected delay.
The problem is they all took too long.
Kevin Brassler works with a consumer watchdog group out of D.C. His team tested 11 different medical devices to see how long it took for someone with the call center to pick up.
An operator will be with you shortly.
The longest wait? Life phone. Nearly 3 minutes until someone answered.
They all took, on average, 30 seconds or more to answer, and some took more than a minute on average.
Hello, 911.
Compare that to the average time it takes a Nashville 911 dispatcher to answer. 6 seconds. Brassler's main criticism is that for medical alert devices, your call for help goes to a call center and then they contact 911. In Nashville, each time a call comes in from one of these call centers, it comes in on the non-emergency line. And the time it takes for someone to answer those calls, 20 seconds.
Hi, this is Life Alert. I have a medical emergency at a residence.
And listen to this. We obtained this call from a medical alert company to Nashville's 911 center. Listen, they can't give specifics on the person who's fallen.
How far did he fall?
On the floor.
Just from like ground level, or he fall off something?
I'm not sure.
Okay. What caused the fall?
I'm not sure.
Where are you at?
Dispatcher Ashley Gray says she's taken calls where the medical alert company has an old address.
It's not always accurate. It's sometimes blocks away, sometimes not even in the same neighborhood.
So why don't these devices connect to 911 directly? Currently, Tennessee law prohibits it. A spokesperson for the 911 center tells the I-Team the center is not designed, staffed, or budgeted to handle these calls. So what do the medical alert companies have to say? A spokesperson for LifePhone describes some of what was found by Consumers Checkbook as inaccurate. And despite the 3 minutes it took for someone to answer during the testing, they say their average response time last year was 13 seconds. And LifeStation tells me not everyone who needs help can get to a phone, and the device can be life-saving in an emergency situation where someone can't move.
Are you sitting up high enough?
Knowing Amaker is about to leave rehab, we wanted to test her device. Remember, the average time it takes for a dispatcher at 911 to answer is 6 seconds. It took 15 seconds for the company to answer.
Stand by.
It was less than any of the devices Brassler tested, but longer than if Amaker just called 911 herself.
Hello, Rita Sue. Do you need help?
She just hopes next time she needs help, she gets it fast.
It gives me peace of mind, and that's what it's all about.
Lindsey Bramson for the News 4 I-Team.